Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Halo Mini Immobiliser on a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser. So a thief gets your key, hops in, tries to steal the vehicle. It's not going to start up. They're unable to drive it. It's looking for a PIN code. So with a customer, what they've got to do to drive this is double press the start button to get their ignition on, go for a PIN code that they've set, 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a double flash from our fog lights, now foot on the brake. We can start the vehicle. The customer has to do this every time they drive it. The system automatically arms as soon as they hop out of the vehicle. So we'll open the door. As soon as you leave, we get a double flash, confirms the system's back on. Next time someone gets in the vehicle, it's not going to start unless they put the code in. If the customer wants to take this for a service, what they'll do is double press the ignition, disarm it like usual, but on the last press, they'll hold for 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, and you'll see we'll get a flash, 5 flashes from this to confirm it's in service mode. Now we can let go. And this is in service mode now. So when it goes back to Toyota, just give them the key. It's a normal vehicle. It's going to fire up straight away. No need for a code. When you get it back, you obviously want it turned back on. So you do the same process again. Pop your code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 10 to 15 seconds. And it'll begin to flash, and then we can let go. Now we let go, we get 1 flash, that confirms the system's back on. So now when we open the door, we get our 2 flashes to confirm it's active and the system's back on. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Mini Immobiliser. Thief gets the key, tries to start it, vehicle's not going to fire up. Has an unlimited service mode, so you put the code back in and take it out, so it's not going to jump out after 30 miles an hour like some other products on the market. This is the Halo Mini on a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser. Thanks for watching.